All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is July 12th, Friday when I'm recording this. This is the free video. Remember, if you guys want to check out more about what I'm doing, you can come over to simplertrading.com/Moxie. I do want to show you guys over here the Twitter page that I have, and these are some of the things. This is an actual post from my Moxie trading room, and we saw some really exciting stuff yesterday, today. This market is getting very interesting right now. For a while, we were seeing just the mega caps running, and in fact, this is what we've been seeing, is that the market as a whole was really kind of going nowhere. Okay, we've been seeing the IWM, the Dow, XLF just going sideways for the last few months, and the only thing working were the FANG stocks, the Mag 7, whatever you want to look. Those are the ones that have been working. And suddenly, and this is what we saw yesterday when the CPI number came out, suddenly we started getting better participation. Look at the participation that we're getting from breadth, okay? The rest of the market is starting to wake up, even though we saw the FANG stocks, the mega caps, the Mag 7 get hammered yesterday, okay? Everything kind of came back a little bit today. There is definitely some rotation going on there. Several of us at Simpler have been talking about it. I've been all over it in the Moxie room, and it's been working out pretty well, so very happy about that. And yeah, so it's just been providing a lot of stuff to work with. The other thing, want to let you guys know, the free video that's upcoming, I'm working on 0 day to expiration, so it was 0 DTE, day trading with the SPX and the NASDAQ. It's been going pretty well. Today was a little rough. I was ultimately right. The market totally just rolled over by the end of the day, and our trade would have been profitable. I got out a little bit early, man. Telling you a lesson, you just got to stick with some of these sometimes, because ultimately the thesis that I had for the day was proven correct and would have been profitable. So yeah, having a fun time with that. I do want to show you also that this move, this down move, the 5630 puts went 1,800%. And it's not that these things are super hard to find, that they actually, and this is the thing I'm going to be showing in the webinar that I have coming up, they really just kind of stand up and say hello. It's not like you have to just pick something out of the blue. There are ways that I'm finding out, and this is what I want to teach and show you guys, to see that the market's going to move even after it's already moving, and then these options start to pay. So that 5630 put, it didn't start saying hello until there. The market already started moving it, so you weren't late to it. And all it took was from that point to go 1,800%, and the thing's set up. So I'm really super excited to be showing you guys this, because, wow. I mean, you can turn $1,000 into, I think it's what, $18,000? So yeah, I'm really excited. I want to be showing you guys this. We've got some stuff coming up, but as you can see with the Moxie indicator, we had our price trigger there and our price trigger there to the downside. And I just figured this market shouldn't be going up the way it was. And it took a little bit longer, and then finally rolled over at the end of the day, since, Friday, end of the day and all that. Other than that, we've been having some really good trades. So for you guys on the free video, I'll show you a couple that we are looking at. Obviously, the IWM has been doing great. So this is exactly what we've been seeing as far as rotation. Look at the volume, first off. And then as you can see here, we have actually broken out. So yeah, this means that the small caps are running, which is finally about time, because you can see just how long that the IWM has been sitting here. And even though it's just been sitting there and not doing anything, it's looking good. This is something that we really like to see. It's been holding these moving averages on the higher time frame, and it's hard to deny that this now is breaking up and out. So after a very, very long flag like this, they're starting to break out. We can even look at XBI. This is biotech. And when biotech's running, that tells you that risk on is in the market, because we saw risk on a while ago. And in fact, if you guys remember, that was right around the turn of the year when the market thought that we were going to get 6 rate cuts. And that didn't really happen, so everything kind of needed to get repriced. This was the idea of 6 rate cuts. So then they're like, oh, okay, well, I guess we won't get that. And then so they had to reprice it, and then they just waited. They waited. And now with the cooler CPI, the market does feel like, okay, now we're going to get at least 1 or 2 rate cuts, and look at what XBI is doing, okay? So we're having a great time with these names. We're in them. They're doing well. We're even seeing that gold, basically the dollar's coming down, right? So if we look at the dollar, DXY, dollar's coming down. And so what does that do? That means precious metals are going up. So silver's going up, gold is going up, gold miners are going up. We're having a good time with that too. So yeah, this is this, as long as this carries and continues, this is the kind of stuff that I want to be seeing, and is making sure that we're having a good time in the Moxie trading room. And you can also see in through here, look at the Dow. We've been talking about this one for weeks. I said, unless something really changes, that situation that we're seeing there on the Dow is looking fantastic. So you got the 8 over the 21, you got price flagging into the daily 50, everything was looking good, and then you could just see volume started coming in, and up we go. And even, I'll even show you one more XLF. Look at that. Nice. Call it a high tight flag or whatever you want to call it, but that looks like it's on its way. And basically the market was just waiting the whole second half of the semester, just trying to figure out what is going on. When are the interest rates going to get cut? And I think that the market's finally starting to sniff out that that's going to be happening soon. So get ready, have fun with it. Let's see where this thing goes. And yeah, come tune in, simplertrading.com/Moxie. We'll see you guys there. Thanks again. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.